This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the ZenBusiness website builder. First, navigate to the website builder section within your ZenBusiness dashboard. You'll find options to start a new site or manage an existing one. This tool is designed for ease of use, allowing you to quickly establish your online presence without needing any prior web development experience. It's a straightforward process to get your business online. Once you've started, the next step is to design your website. ZenBusiness provides a selection of professional templates to give you a head start. You can then personalize your site by adjusting colors, fonts, and uploading your own images to reflect your brand's identity. The drag-and-drop interface makes it simple to arrange elements like text boxes, images, and contact forms exactly where you want them on your pages. After setting up your design, it's time to add your content and integrate key features. You can effortlessly add text, upload high-quality photos, and embed videos to enrich your website's appeal. The builder also allows you to include important elements such as contact forms, making it easy for customers to reach you. Plus, your website will automatically be optimized for viewing on all mobile devices, ensuring a great user experience. Finally, before making your website live, take some time to review everything carefully to ensure it looks perfect and all links work. Once you're satisfied, you can publish your site and connect your custom domain name, making it accessible to the world. This is a crucial step in establishing your online credibility. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.